Imagine being a small business owner, your passion and hard work paying off as your enterprise thrives. But lurking behind the scenes is a monstrous beast named accounting, threatening to gobble up your precious time and sanity. But fear not, for there is a hero in this tale, a knight in shining armor ready to slay this beast. That hero is FreshBooks, the cloud-based accounting software designed specifically for small and medium-sized businesses. FreshBooks is not just another face in the crowd of intimidating accounting software. It's a game changer, offering a user-friendly interface that's easy to navigate, even for those without an accounting degree. Let's explore how FreshBooks can revolutionize your financial affairs. Firstly, FreshBooks allows you to invoice like a boss. You can create and send professional invoices in mere seconds, customize them with your logo and branding, set up automatic late payment reminders, and even accept online payments, all within the platform. Next, become an expense tracking ninja with FreshBooks. Snap photos of receipts with your phone, categorize expenses on the fly, and automatically generate reports to keep an eye on where your money's flowing. With FreshBooks, you can also track billable hours with ease. See exactly how much time you're spending on projects and ensure you're getting paid for every minute spent. And when it comes to reporting, FreshBooks provides clear, concise reports that give you an instant snapshot of your business health. Gone are the days of deciphering cryptic spreadsheets. Now you can understand your income, expenses, and profitability at a glance. But FreshBooks is more than just a set of features. Its aim is to empower you to focus on what truly matters, growing your business. Here's what sets FreshBooks apart. Enjoy the convenience of cloud-based technology. Access your financial data from anywhere, anytime, on any device. No more hassles with bulky software installations or fears of lost data. FreshBooks also allows you to automate repetitive tasks like sending invoices and chasing late payments, freeing up your valuable time to focus on strategic initiatives. As an integration powerhouse, FreshBooks seamlessly integrates with popular business tools, helping you streamline your workflow and eliminate the drudgery of data entry. And if you ever need help, FreshBooks offers award-winning customer support to ensure you're never left in the lurch with your questions. So, if you're a small business owner grappling with the accounting burden, FreshBooks is your knight in shining armor. It's the perfect tool to simplify your finances, free up your time, and get you back to doing what you love. Running a successful business. Are you ready to tame the accounting beast? Try FreshBooks free for 30 days and experience the difference it can make.